Three numbers has been assigned with this element: 5, 6 and 11. 1, 3 and 9 are fire elements. 2, 7, 22 are water elements. And 4, 6 and 8 are earth elements. Now let's talk about fire element. What is fire element? Fire provides the body with heat and radiant energy. It also exists within all our metabolic and chemical actions in the body. Fire is about creation, destruction, transformation. See how transformation is occurring. See, it transforms, say, ice to water to gaseous state.
Yes.
Solid, liquid, gaseous. It happens with the help of fire. Fire is that part of nature that transforms one state of matter into another. And say when you withdraw fire, it will, it recreates the solid state. The gas will become water, water can become ice. Ulta process. Fire is, see, in our, what should I say, I will not use the word religion, but in many yogic practices, fire is used for worshipping. Even for tantric rituals. Because it is the means by which we can purify ourselves. We can empower and control other states of matter. Fire can control other states of matter. A very important thing. Fire is the sun. We can say natural fire is the sun, coming from the sun, which comes to heat the earth. It is characterized by charm, magnetism, harmony, beauty, confidence, warmth, enthusiasm, passions and emotions, and kindness. So what are the numbers which are associated? 1, 3 and 9.
Yes.
See, relationships where everyone is a winner is a positive combination of air and fire. Where everyone is a winner. So it's a positive combination of air and fire. In the negative, air and fire combination can be very volatile, explosive. Let's talk about the air element. Air gives movement to biological functions and feeds every cell with oxygen. After all, oxygen कहाँ से आ रहा है? Air.
Yes.
है ना? Air is about new life, power of the mind and communication. Air is about communication. Air has the capacity to evaporate water. Air and fire together evaporate water in favor of its own distribution over the earth. Rain कहाँ से आ रहा है? It's not only the fire, it's the air also element. It is an indispensable element, though we can't see it. See, we can see other elements. But we can feel air, because if the leaves are moving, we know that there is air. At least we can see, though we can't see with direct eyes, but indirectly we can see air. Because it is characterized by morality, sharp sense of justice, the search for spiritual and scientific truth, originality, new ideas, and a creative intelligence. In numerology, it corresponds. What are the corresponding numbers in numerology? 5, 6 and 11. These are the three numbers which have air element.
Air element.
Now, we have seen that 6 has been assigned with two elements, earth as well as air. So when it becomes earth element, it is more material. It is heavy. When it is 6 is taken as an air element, it is more psychological and spiritual aspects rather than material and physical.
Yes.
This is clear?
Yes.
So though we are not considering space at all, but just have we talked one line about space, or ether it is also called. See, it provides the other elements with an opportunity to interact with each other.
True.
Okay. Space is about infinity. Space is infinite. Okay. It's pure energy. It is unlimited potential. Space is the mother of all the elements. Everything has originated from space. Space, then air, then fire, then water, and then earth. This is how the creation has happened. Though we are not assigning any number to space, but space is so important for the interaction between the elements. Okay. Now, if you understand the relationship between the elements, Each of the 5 elements has a certain relationship with other elements based on their nature. Some elements are friends when they support and nurture each other. Like we said, fire and air, they're friends. So they support and nurture each other. Whereas some are enemies, where each blocks the expression of the other. Earth and water love to hug each other and merge with each other. You know, when you just water the plant, how water gets absorbed completely. So they literally hug each other. Fire and air increase and intensify each other. Fire and air intensify each other. Some elements are simply friendly and cooperative. They may not do anything more than just cooperate. Finish. For example, water and air can live together without problems. But when the chance occurs, they can also separate.
Yes.
The same occurs with fire and earth also. Same thing with fire and earth. They can separate. See, excess of earth can extinguish fire.
Yes.
But fire, it arises from earth only. If you look at earth and earth, it has a good relationship in the physical and material areas. But being a heavy element, the progress becomes slower between earth and earth. And it's also very delicate on the emotional plane. They don't understand the emotional aspects much. If you look at earth and fire, it's a very delicate relationship. Earth and fire. It's a very delicate relationship which takes a long time to master. There's a risk of frustration. Excess of earth can extinguish fire. Now look at earth and water. A very harmonious relationship, earth and water. There is good love and friendship between them. But in the end, it is the water who dominates.
Correct.
Between earth and water, water will dominate.
Yes.
Because it is subtler than earth. Though water is also a little grosser than fire and air, but it's definitely subtler than earth. If you look at earth and air, here the elements are opposed and there is incompatibility. Earth and air, there is incompatibility. But it is only air that can move earth. Move. Air can move earth. So they have totally different wavelengths. Air and earth. So they're so distant also. No? Air, then fire, then water, then earth. They're distant. They're distant. So there is the wavelengths are different.
Okay.
So there could be conflicts or continual clashes. So that is why it's a very delicate relationship between the two. So now this is a general, what should I say, the qualities of elements and numbers. Now here you will feel that why should we talk about elements? See, this will help us understanding the relationships. When later on we learn about relationships, so we do matchmaking, we understand about relationships. Our own numbers, how my own numbers, whether my number is helping me achieve the life path, whether my birthday number is compatible with my life path number, my expression number is compatible with my life path number, whether my solar number is compatible with my expression number. It will help here.
Correct.
So this knowledge will help understanding the relationships.
Yes.
So this is all about
Elements.
numbers and elements.